Hi, what is your name and how old are you?
My name is Lizel Jaime. I am 26 years old.
Oh, wow. You young. Okay, Lizelle. Which one do you prefer to date? A black man or a white man?
A black man.
Why black man?
Because I love how they... Wait, wait.
Why black man?
Because I like how they look. I like how they wear their um, clothes.
Mhm.
And they are handsome, of course.
Yes, they are handsome. Yes, that's important. Okay. What is your favorite nationality?
Italian. Italian guys.
Why Italian guys?
Because I love how they... some of Italians, they're like cooking right.
Yeah.
Like cook food.
Yes.
Like they're doing it by themselves. So I like that kind of guy.
Oh,
How
yeah.
to cook like that.
Oh, that's important
Yeah.
for you. Okay. What is your least favorite nationality?
China.
Why China?
Because some of things happened right now in the Philippines, right? Because of China. Like pandemic, like that. And some of them there because I like watching mukbangs in China.
Mm.
Because some others they do mukbangs like seafood but not that really dirty one
Mm.
like that. Yeah.
So that's your least
Yeah.
favorite.
The
Okay.
food.
The foods. Okay. Based on your observation, why some Filipinas don't like Bombay or Indian?
Because some of that guys like the way they cook their
Mhm.
food, we can see that in if you're like looking if you're like looking in channel or YouTube like this.
Social media.
Yeah, social medias.
That.
The way they cook, they doing hands. Like when you see the food, it's like really dirty. It's so disgusting. Like that.
How about their personality or their smell?
No, my other friends too said that they smell like really bad. But not all hands,
Not
just
all.
some of them.
Yeah, some of them. Okay.
Yeah.
How about the personality?
I think I never see one of them here in the Philippines, but I think for me they are good, just like us. You know?
Okay, it's just the hygiene.
Yeah.
It's your issues.
Yes, the hygiene
Ah,
and the foods too, the way
okay.
they make it.
All right. Have you ever tried foreign food?
I just ramen like that.
Ramen.
Just only ramen.
Okay. Is that your favorite one?
Yeah.
How
So far.
often? How often you eat ramen?
Sometimes because I'm not really in outdoors like going somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm just in the house
Mm.
like writing my books. Then
Okay. In your opinion, what type of Filipinas should a foreigner avoid?
if you're looking for a Filipina, you should avoid some other girls like they're looking for uh, a man, but actually they just like your money. Just wanted your money, not your love. Because maybe because of some problems in their own lives, like financially, like that. So yeah, I think so. That's what I think. Like
How about Filipinas behavior?
Filipinas behavior, like all.
Yeah, like the foreigner should avoid about their behaviors and some characteristics.
Hmm. Wala ko. Nawala. Wait, did I cut? Okay, ra. Sorry.
Okay. What attitude or characteristics?
Like the way they maybe the way they dress like that.
The way they dress.
Yeah, some others they dress like a beachy, right? Like beaches. Hello beach. Yeah, that one. And also their attitude. Sometimes other Filipinas like they are when you talk to them, it's like so very calm, like so sweet. But the truth is they are not really like that. If you know, for my understanding.
Okay. So they should avoid like
Yeah.
that.
Just
Okay.
know them more before you trust them like that.
Yeah, that's true.
That's a good, yeah.
Okay. Why do Filipina become social and brag their friends about their rich or foreigner boyfriend? Do you, in your opinion?
For me,
Yeah. Those women who like to brag. Do you think they brag what they've got? Do you think they brag they have if they have
like for example,
like for example they have a rich boyfriend and the rich boyfriend give them expensive gifts?
well, not necessary. Not everyone just wants that gift. Like
Yeah. But do you think they brag? They brag it, they tell their friends that they have
some, yeah, maybe some,
maybe
because
some.
maybe they are so very like proud that their
Mm.
boyfriend is a caring man,
Mm.
giving like something gifts like that.
Mm.
But the others, they don't really do that.
Mm. It's seldom to
Yeah,
say that.
they
But
just want private life like that,
yeah.
like not sharing anything on social medias or their friends. They just want to be like different, different from the others, I think.
Yeah. So do you think it's nice to show people what you've got? Do you I have boyfriend like this? Do you
Yeah,
think it's
for
nice?
me, as I have a boyfriend,
Yeah.
and for me, in me, ha, yeah, I like to post my boyfriend,
Mm.
what he got from me, sometimes, but not always. Just
Mm.
the flowers. It's my first time to have flowers, and he give it to me. Of course, I'm gonna post it.
Mm.
Like,
You're happy and
yeah,
you appreciate
yeah,
it.
I appreciate.
It's not being bragged,
Yeah,
right?
it's just appreciating things that you have, and appreciating things what other guys. I no, not other guys. I mean, what your boyfriend give you. That's all. And
Ah.
also the friends.
Oh, okay. Have you lived here in the Philippines all your life?
What do you mean?
Like, did you travel abroad or did you
No, I
live
never
abroad?
try.
Never
Just my
tried.
sisters.
Okay. So,
But
did you? But what?
but maybe someday, yeah,
Okay.
I wanted to try.
Ah, okay. Did you ever been to on a plane or on a big ship?
No, as
No.
like what I said, I'm not really an outdoors
Mm.
person. I'm just
Homebody.
maybe sometimes
Ah,
with
okay.
her, my
Yeah,
friend.
with your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you ever traveled far from home, like in another island?
No,
No.
just here in the now.
No, you never visit any
Yeah,
other
just
island.
here. No.
Why? You
My
have.
parents is so strict. My friends knows that.
Mm.
Yeah.
So you never
My
been
father,
travel.
yeah.
Oh, we're very strict. You are already in a legal age.
Yeah, I know. It's just how
They treat you
yeah,
like a princess.
like I'm very important to them.
Of course, you're important to
Yeah,
them.
that's because some other family, right, in like their father, if they go somewhere, they're not looking like always in
Hmm.
their children.
Hmm.
My parents always looking for me, even if I'm in work or somewhere. Where's
Hmm.
Liz?
They're just looking for okay.
Yeah,
In your opinion and your perspectives, why do you think most Filipinos don't like to use protection like condom or contraceptives?
maybe because they just like that way. For me,
Mm.
maybe.
Can you explain it further? Why?
Maybe how they feel like that. No other reason, just the feeling.
How about you? Do you like?
Me? No,
No, why not?
we're not in. Wow.
No, just in your opinion, why not?
What do you mean? Like,
Like, why not? Why not using protection? Why not using condoms?
maybe because they feel it like they don't want that kind of protection in some. Like,
Mm. Ah, so if they have
what I mean
ultimate, they
is,
want raw.
yeah, like that. Maybe.
They want raw. So they don't want plastic bags.
Yeah, they don't want us to. Yeah,
Why you need to put plastic bags in their joke?
yeah. Why do you put plastic bags if you can just, oh,
If you just feel it.
yeah, feel it, just feel the feeling.
Just feel the feelings
Yeah.
and that's it. So have you ever think what is the consequences by not using those kind of protections?
They're gonna they're gonna go like having a baby.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And then,
And then they're gonna be sad. Some of some of them, they're gonna be like, ay, bawal bad words, diba?
yeah, they're gonna be like, this is the big responsibilities
Yeah,
that I
like that,
cannot.
and they are not ready for that.
Oh, I see. So it's better to implement
Yeah,
using
yeah, some condoms or some other for
protection
protection. Yeah,
for unwanted and unintended.
yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Thank you for being candid to the Candid Filipinas. So nice to chat with you. Bye, guys.